We're going to take a look at a bank account asset search results page. This particular type of bank account search is from the SWIFT Interdata results. There's 4 or 5 different kinds of bank account searches. This one is a SWIFT bank account search, and some of the other types will be covered in other videos. But here's a typical report from a SWIFT Interdata with sample data on the report. So at first you'll see a header that will talk about how it's not to be used for Fair Credit Reporting Act regulated purposes. Can't use these for determining credit, insurance, employment, or other purposes under Fair Credit Reporting Act. So get good legal advice prior to using one of these types of searches. And there's a disclaimer about using it for fraud or beneficial interest, that kind of thing. So once you get past that, you will see that it'll first state the name of the party upon whom a bank account search was performed. In this case, it's a sample name, Joseph Carl White. Again, this is not a real person. This is just for the purpose of looking at the format of a report. It'll have the social security number that was provided to do the search. It'll also have a corrected social security number if the SWIFT Interdata adjusted it for an error or for an updated number. The search type is a 993001 reverse search. That's the code for a bank account search. And then after the search parameters, the search scope, it'll give you the reported financial institution records. In this case, there's a bank account at Wells Fargo. It'll give the address for the reporting party. It'll give you a balance, and then it'll have a code for what type of an account. This is CHK, which is a checking account. In most cases, there'll be a record of recent activity. In this case, the last deposit was $547.10. Similar type of record, you'll see that there's a FECU, a credit union in Maryland, with a balance of $11,894. SAV stands for savings. Last deposit of $2,000. Sometimes these recent activities like deposits or checks will also have a date assigned with it. This particular one does not. There's a third type of an account demonstrated here, which is a brokerage account, BRK for brokerage. TD Ameritrade has an address, balance $56,480. There's a couple other types of records that you will see on bank account searches. Sometimes you'll have a charged off account, meaning that this account was closed either involuntarily by the lending institution or by the depositor. This has a negative balance of $35. Charged off account, meaning that it was basically a bogus account that they either wrote bad checks or it was closed. Sometimes you'll have a voluntary closed account. This one was closed 11/16/19, Bank of America. Sometimes these accounts that are closed will also show last balance information depending upon the nature of the financial institution. Remember that not all financial institutions report every activity to all the types. So this SWIFT Interdata might have some accounts. Some of the other bank account search types, such as Open Records or AccuData, might have other types of accounts. So be aware that this is just the results from this one type of bank account search, and then there'll be an end transmittal at the bottom of the report showing you that there's no other account. So if it goes out to another page or if there's additional activity, that will be noted there as well. So if you have any questions about bank account searches, you can reach us at our website, or you can give us a call. One of our investigators can go over bank account searching with you.